Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various company like the Itachi, Good Light AI, another important internship and opportunity. So if you are the fresher looking for some important opportunity, then this video is for you. So talking about the first important opportunity that is from the Itachi one, they are hiring for the role of software developer, engineer, and freshers are here for this. So this is a kind of referral hiring, so you can directly consult to corresponding people. Okay, so financial year 2025-2026, B Tech in computer science, IT, EC all can apply, and you should be having excellent communication skills. And the referral cutoff is 10 June 2026. So you have to basically this is urgent hiring. Okay, so minimum 70% academic scores are required. So if you are watching, then you can directly apply for this important role, that is software development engineer, and the strong coding skills and other things are required. So you can directly apply with them. Moving to next, that is from the Jaltic Solutions. So they are looking for the role of QA tester intern. For this, the job location will be Hyderabad, and this is the unpaid role. So if you are interested, you can directly share your resume to this mail ID. Moving to next, that is from the Goodlight AI. They are hiring for the role of intern machine learning, and especially if you have knowledge of ML models, LLMs, and other thing, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. The knowledge of Pythons and other Python frameworks are required. So duration is 3 to 6 months and potential of full-time conversion based on your performance. So if you want, you can apply. Next important, that is from the Capgemini. So this is a urgent hiring, account payable, P2P, PTP means process to process, and the important role. So if you have some experience, means 6 month experience or 1 year, then you can directly share your resume to this mail ID. And for this, the job location is Kolkata. Moving to next, this is the TCS BPS walk-in series June edition. So at the job location is Nagpur. So you can directly walk in there if you are from BCom, BA, BBA, BCA, BSc, except CSIT 2024, 2025, 26, or MA and MCom batch can also apply. So these are the documents you need to carry, like the updated resume, government ID proof, academic documents, and other things are there. So you can directly walk in at the Nagpur locations. Moving to next, that is the Punjab State Power Corporation Limited, PSPCL. So total vacancies is 3289 and online registration only. Last date to apply will be 6 July 2026, and it will, or online registration will start from 15 June. So if you want, you can directly apply. There are numbers of positions are there, and if you need detailed video, then I can also provide that. But the age limits are there, let me minimum 18 year and maximum 37 years. So if you want, you can apply. Moving to last importantly, that is from the Landsoft. So they are looking for the account receivable AR, account payable AP for the role of means for the location of Indore. So if you have done the BCom, MCom, or MBA in finance, means if you are coming from the finance background, then you can directly apply with them. The tech stack which is required here is MS Excel with plus points and other things are there. So you can directly share your resume to this mail ID. Hope video informative. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here. We are all regularly post lots of important job updates on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't applied for the internship like the G Scalar, Hindustan Corporates and other, then you can apply as soon as possible. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here. I am always here to help you. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब अपडेट्स में। थैंक यू।